Today, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable video backgrounds on Microsoft Edge's new tab page, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your background settings so you can personalize your browsing experience. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Microsoft Edge and creating a new tab. Think of this as setting the stage for your personal browsing environment. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Variations are normal due to updates. Once your new tab is open, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see the page settings icon. It resembles a small gear. Click on it to access the customization options. This icon is like the key to unlocking a treasure chest of personalization features. In the settings panel that appears, scroll down until you find the background section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can review the current background settings and get a sense of how your new tab page is currently styled. It's like choosing the wallpaper for your digital workspace. Now click on Edit Background to explore the available options. This is your chance to experiment with different styles and find the one that best suits your taste. Whether you prefer a static image or a dynamic video background, the choice is yours. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment as you browse through the options. After making your selection, the new tab page will update automatically. It's as simple as that. Your personalized browsing experience is now set. That's how to customize and manage background settings on the Microsoft Edge new tab page. By following these steps, you can ensure your browser reflects your personal style and preferences. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.